Hey guys, welcome back to Shruti Arts. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am Shruti and you're watching Shruti Arts. So, as you read the title and the description, you might know that what is in today's video. In today's video, I am going to make 4 beautiful and really cute paintings of my favorite cartoon character, that is nothing but Shinchan. I know most of you love this cartoon and I love it a lot. I love that cartoon character a lot. Like Shinchan is super duper cute and he's naughty and I love him. So let me know in the comment section which is your favorite cartoon character, and in next videos, like upcoming videos, I can draw your favorite cartoon character. So just go and comment down side. And with that, share this video guys. What is happening with you while you're not sharing this videos? I need some response from you, so make sure to share this video with all your friends. And now let's start the video. And don't worry guys, the giveaway winner drawings will be upcoming on next Sunday, so stay tuned for that and subscribe Shruti Art for more videos like this. And today's shout out goes to this one, so thank you so much for supporting me. So now let's start the video. So here is a normal paper. Now I am going to snip it off into 4 equal parts. So let's do it. Here you go. Now we have 4 equal parts, and the paper I am using is 300 GSM watercolor paper and it's cold pressed paper. That is why it has this kind of texture. You can use a simple paper too. So now it's time to sketch a rough figure and afterwards modify it into beautiful character and really cute one, that is nothing but Shinchan. Let me know which is your favorite cartoon character in the comment section. Now as you can see, I'm just going to draw the rough figure. So I'm using simple shapes for this. There is an oval for the head. I'm going to draw the circle and one more oval for the mouth. Like Shinchan has a really weird kind of mouth shape, but he looks really cute. So I'm just going to complete this sketch and see you in the next one. And make sure you draw the normal shape first and afterwards draw the details. This will make your drawing really simple. And my method is this only, that drawing the basic shapes first and afterwards modifying them into the main character or the main drawing. So here comes the hat and the head, and afterwards this one character which I'm drawing is the drawing of Shinchan in his school uniform. So let's complete this one. This is how it looks like, and I am really happy how it turned out, and it's looking super cute. So let's see how final product looks like. So now it's time for the second sketch. I'm going to follow the same process. First of all, drawing some fundamental shapes and afterwards modifying it to draw the Shinchan. So this one is also really cute. So let's do it and let's see how this turn out. So as my sketches are all done and 4 of the sketches turned out really cute, so now I am going to paint one by one. I am going to use these small brushes because all of the 4 paintings are in small size. You can also use different brushes, but mainly I am going to use 2 of this. And afterwards, let me tell you that all the art materials that I am using are linked in the description. I am using poster colors for this. So now what you have to do is just see the colors that I am using, and I have written all the information that what color I am mixing to make this specific color in the video. So the video will be more informative for you all. So as you can see, I'm starting with the skin color and we will go from light to dark. So let's do it. Now it's time to paint the second painting. As you can see, I have already painted this pants of the Shinchan because the yellow color of the previous painting was remaining, so instead of wasting it by drying it out, I just thought why not to color the next part of the painting, so which my color will also be saved. So you can also try these hacks, like it's not hacks but yeah, you can try it out. So as you can see, I have completed the pants, that is simple yellow color, and now I'm going to start with red and paint the shirt, and all the images and all the final products of the drawing are in the end of the video. So make sure to watch the video till the end and subscribe Shruti Arts if you haven't subscribed for more beautiful drawings and content like this. So let's start and let's do this painting. So now it's time for the next painting, so let's bring the another one. Here you go. And as I did in previous drawing, that the color which was remaining or which was still there, I just used it up, that is the black and skin color, and I have painted like black and skin color to every painting because it's common and you can do it easily. Now I am using gray color for the hoodie. Like this one is really cute because it's in panda and everyone loves panda, I hope so. So let's paint this gray color up, and I have made this painting simple as much as possible so that small children can even paint this, and this looks super cute guys. I have applied it at my walls of my home, so you'll see it in my intro. And let's now paint this up. So now I'm just completing the outline of this one. I'm using a sketch pen here. You can also use a normal black paint. I just made this painting simple as much as possible for you all people. So now after completing this, we will just remove the tape, that is the side tape which we have applied to all edges of the painting. So after doing that, we will get some clean edges of the painting. So let's complete this outline, and afterwards just remove the tape, which is the most satisfying part of the painting and I love it the most. So now enjoy the last part and the most satisfying part of this painting. These are the final products. I am in love with all of this painting. They are super cute and I am going to definitely use it on my wall. So let's see the cinematic shot of this video. and let's end this video afterwards. So how was the video, guys? I hope you liked the video, and if you do, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and comment down what you want in my next videos, and also share this video with all Shinchan lovers. And so now I'll end this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.